Finding the courage to change, restored to sanity. One of the promises of 12-step work is that we will be restored to sanity. This is no small promise. My behavior is just a tiny bit insane. I am copying those I see around me, so it's even reasonable that I would have these behavior patterns. However, I'm no longer content with the status quo. I want freedom. I want peace of mind. I want serenity. I have begun to question all of my most basic habits of behavior and reactions. Drama and upset are my clues. When negative emotions are running high, I can be sure that I've got a negative pattern active. When I'm feeling upset, I know that I'm not seeing the situation the way that my higher power sees it. I'm out of alignment. We create our own reality. My perception of what is happening is key. I'm in charge of how I see things. This is both a responsibility and a relief. If it's on me, then I'm also in control. If I don't like what I see, then I can take steps to see things in a new way. At first, the idea of controlling my own reality appears to be impossible. The situation seems true. There are facts. But how I perceive those facts makes all the difference. It's my judgment of myself and others that triggers my insanity. I will always experience unpleasant or unhappy situations. These contrasting life experiences help me to enjoy the pleasant and happy times of my life. The trick is learning to accept the ups and downs of life. I can take life as it comes. I can be serene no matter what is happening. I have been restored to sanity.